Hello guys, this is a ZZ plant. It still belongs to the succulent family and we're gonna propagate this through leaves. You can cut each leaf and plant it, or you can cut this way. It depends what works for you. But if you really want to propagate it fast, then do this. But if you want to propagate slow but more, then do the leaf propagation cutting, just one leaf at a time. I'll show you the result after 8 months of propagation at the end of this video, so please stick around. If you're wondering what smile soil mix is, it's 2 parts soil, regular soil, and 3 parts pumice. This is a yellow sulfur powder. I use this powder to treat the cuts and avoid rot. It will heal the cuts faster too. I like this pot because it drains so much faster than the other pots I have. After a day, time to water the plants to encourage the roots to grow. After this, I'll show you the result after 8 months. Look at this, look at the new growth. This is how it looks like after 8 months. There are actual new plants growing at the center of the leaves where we planted it, as you can see here. I'll show you, this is the mother plant, and this is now our propagated ZZ plant after 8 months.